So good.
Fucking love done lumber. Okay, we're gonna put this shit in.
So we got
Being 6 foot and 29 is not fun. You know what is fun? Done lumber. Let's give it a look-see, shall we? Just installed this thing. Luke stained it. Looks like shit. That is the sound of a job well done. Oh! In case it's nighttime, you don't want to wake anybody up with the light, so you kind of do one of those. Epilepsy warning. Anyways, so that works. Whoa! I want you guys to guess, what is under this? What could it be? Maybe it's a Sasquatch. No, because that's right there. So what else could it be if it's not a Sasquatch? I'll give you guys some options. It's a tile. Okay, so let me know in the comments what you guys think it is.